Infinite banking and tax-free cash growth warehouse are a concept and a finance strategy. They take full advantage of specific provisions in the IRS code and some of the best mutual financial institutions in America. I have to warn you, this strategy may open your mind to possibilities that you've been led to believe are not available to you, and therefore cause you to become a little upset with the banking industry. I'm Stan Cox, principal broker and strategist with SC Finance Strategies and Insurance Consultants. I'm also the author of the books, The Tax-Free Cash Growth Warehouse Strategy, and I'm the managing director of the Hawaii Financial Free Thinkers Academy, a nonprofit financial literacy education organization. For the past several years, I have focused on and specialized in the infinite banking concept and the tax-free cash growth warehouse finance strategy. Outside of the infinite banking tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy, you can do only one of two things with your money. One, you can put your money into an account that will pay interest to your money. Or two, you can spend your money on goods and services, but you can't do both. That is to say, you can't do both with the same money. You can put some of your money into an interest-earning account and buy things with the rest of your money, but the money that you pay for things will not be earning interest for you. And the money that you have earning interest, you cannot use to buy things. That is, if you want to buy something with the money that is in your interest earning account, you have to first withdraw that money from the account, and then it stops earning the interest. And when you pay for the things you buy with that money is gone. It's gone forever. Well, that's just the way it is, right? That's what the banks want you to believe, but that is not the case. The most financially sound institutions in the world are, wait for it, insurance companies. You may have thought that banks are, but banks really are built on unreality, and that's why they have to carry insurance. That's what the FDIC is, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. Some insurance companies are mutual companies, and as such, they share their profits with their policyholders. And that's why they can, and some do, pay much higher interest to their account holders than banks do. And I don't mean a fraction of a percent as with the banks, but currently 6% compounding APR. And here's where that IRS code benefits that I mentioned at the start comes into play. The interest paid to those accounts are exempt from taxation. That is, as long as the money stays in the account. So you may ask, well, how in the world are you going to use it if it has to stay in the account? And how is that untaxable bit a benefit if that's only the case as long as you don't take the money out of the account? That's where the whole infinite banking tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy comes in. You see, the insurance companies allow you to use your cash value of your account as collateral for loans that they will give you anytime you ask for one. Yes, it is a loan, and they will charge small interest on the loan. But if your account is with the right company, the loan interest is much less than the compounding dividend interest that they pay to your account, and they keep on paying that dividend interest to your account, even while you have a loan against it. Of course, there's no taxation on loans. And again, you're earning more interest than you're being charged for loans. So you lose no money to fees and interest. In fact, you're still on the winning end of the deal with the greater interest you are earning. There's no tax on your loans. What interest you do pay, you can get a tax deduction for. In addition to all that, you aren't bound to any repayment schedule for the loans. You can repay the loans anytime in any amounts you choose. So with properly designed life insurance account with the right company, you're building a super safe, high compounding interest earning emergency fund / self-financing fund / tax-free retirement income supplement. Would you agree that that's a life-improving strategy? Yes. I mentioned super safe. So one of the benefits of owning an account like this is that it really is untouchable by anyone or anything except the owner of the account. It's invisible to taxes, lawsuits, garnishments, even bankruptcy. Would you agree that that kind of protection is a beneficial improvement for your finances? Yes. When you practice this tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy, where you have your money safely growing with high compounding dividend interest, while at the same time, you're able to use the same money to invest or finance things you buy, would that increase your peace of mind? Well, how about the fact that this account is actually a life insurance policy that will pay a tax-free cash benefit to your beneficiaries when you die? And you know, personally, I think of the life insurance part as an extra added bonus to the outstanding financial asset that these accounts provide. After about 5 or 6 years, in most cases, your account will be earning more than what you are depositing into it in premiums. So from that point on, the insurance is basically a free bonus. And the amount it earns is compounding. So it grows snowball-like from that point on. So in fact, infinite banking tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy does, when practiced, improve the lives, finances, and peace of mind of those who practice it. Now, if you found this to be helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, please post your questions and comments here. For a more complete explanation of the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy, you can watch our free 60-minute webinar. The link is in the description box below. The link to buy my books on Amazon.com is also below. And if you'd like to book a free phone consultation with me, the link to my Calendly page is also below. If you'd like to apply to become a client of ours, that link is down here below too. Well, we're here to help, and we look forward to helping you. Aloha and mahalo for watching.